Today we're going to start our, I think it's a 2.5 horsepower Campbell, according to what I understand. It's probably the smallest of the Campbells made. Serial number looks to be 8043, but it could actually be 3043. I purchased this engine probably 25, 27 years ago from Bert Van Dissel, who completely restored it. It's actually never really run. I never taken it to one show, and I've been overseas for 20 years. So today we're going to start it. It's been in storage in my garage here for 21 years. So it was all in perfect condition before, all oiled up, and yeah, used some Vaseline and then some other preservatives. Everything's free of rust, free of moisture. So yeah, I think it should be good to go. But again, don't know much about it. I believe it came from Ferry Mead here in Christchurch, and I think it was running a water pump. Bert cut the other end of the shaft off here because he couldn't get it through the door of his house in his garage when he actually stripped it down and physically rebuilt it. But again, it's never really run. It's got fantastic compression, good spark. So we'll give it a go now and see how we go. I say 21 years, so let's see how our baby goes. Next time you'll be tuning in, it'll be Billy Blackstone 4 horsepower, because that also has been in preservation again, and that has not run for 21 years. Most of our stuff has been in storage. It's been a long time now, so really looking forward to getting them all running again and get out to some shows and yeah, see how they go. Thanks for watching. This engine was originally a gas engine running on producer gas. Bert converted it to petrol with a carburetor, very common modification. So you got the gas inlet valve, you've actually got the natural air inlet and your exhaust valve. Governing is by the ball weight governor, which just joins in here for the gas valve and the inlet valve. And you just have the speed adjustment from underneath. You can choke it a little bit with the for petrol, but not a lot required. It only has a single main jet. Has flick mag, as you can see here. You move the roller for starting on decompression and running on full compression here. Just has that extra lobe there. Drip oiler, single flywheel, and open crank. As you can see, there's not a lot to say. It's just a standard modified gas engine. Again, not sure of its era, but pre-1910 I suggest. And sure, it's a beautiful running engine. Right, 21 years, let's see if it goes. Get some fuel through. Maybe the float's stuck, I don't know. There we go. Give it well, son. "21 years.